Fully extend the slide. Move the lever to release the slide. Place a bracket facing down with the flanges outward. Place the slide onto the bracket and align the screw holes. Secure with 1/4-inch screws. Insert a bracket under the opposite side. Secure with 1/4-inch screws. Place the slide in the desired location. Secure using 3/4-inch screws at the upper holes. Secure using 1/2-inch screws at the lower holes. Repeat for the opposite end. Insert the rack onto the slide. Move in and out to lock the slide. For more products and accessories, visit johnlewishome.com. Whether looking to add accessories to your organizer, ranging from drawers and baskets to pant racks and valet rods, or creating your own custom closet with shelf lengths and components, John Lewis Home provides you the complete storage solution.